Okay, you can check the letters up on the book. Fluid. So big tree, Miss Januszka, the table. Well done. White. And do like little something. Stars. At this beautiful Christmas tree, I want you to point, don't touch, point where you are with your pointer, like me. Some people draw or drew the symbols like next week. You take them home because Christmas is a very special time.
You show me again your stage skills, your acting skills, your voice, your mime. I could hear that your voice had changed and I could see your characters. So really, really good work.
I got no draw. Good save you.
Try to share the boy. Turn it up. No, I won't give you anything. That's right, you have to be happy, but reason you have to be happy.
Buh.
Again, and follow it with
Very impressive, really good.
Longer. Yeah. Beautiful. Well done. And now when you add, beautiful. Now hold it in the center. Now add one more.
Yeah, I'm sure. Oh my gosh, look at you!
Freeze. So you have 2 minutes to finish your life. A lot of you are finishing. Can you see this little thing inside? It's like a tongue. Must go, when you close it, must go inside the tongue. Have your bulbs. Now careful, don't squeeze it too much. It's magical because look, still using the soft castles. That's okay.